Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today is April 10th, and I just want to do a quick video on Bed Bath & Beyond. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Well, another red day. So this stock is extremely volatile. I would be very cautious if you're trying to buy into this stock. But if you're holding on, all we can do is be as patient as possible. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at a one-year daily chart. So we can see that it has just been on a downtrend ever since it hit a high of $7. This was back early February. And since then, it's just been selling off, hitting a low of 0.2863. There's still a lot of volume in this, and there's still people buying call options every single day. I look here and I'm like, why are people buying weekly call options? These are very dangerous because if the stock doesn't move in your favor, you're just going to lose all the premium. We have 18,000 volume for the 0.5. These are going for $2 an option. They're cheap, but why not just go for January 2025? That way, at least it gives you over a year for the stock to move up, like only $25. And if you take a look at some of the news here, so this came out today at 12:28 p.m. Pacific time. It says, Bed Bath & Beyond says shareholders are asking about naked short selling. Bed Bath & Beyond said it had received several inquiries from shareholders related to naked short selling, but it had no specific access to information on share landing for short selling transactions. While the company is unable to confirm such activity, the company denounces any market manipulation of its stock. In regular short trading, an investor borrows shares from someone else, then sells them and waits for the stock price to fall. When that happens, the shares are bought more cheaply and returned to the previous owner, with the short seller pocketing the difference as profits. In naked short selling, investors don't bother borrowing the stock first and simply sell shares with a promise to deliver them at a later date. When that promise is not fulfilled, it's known as failure to deliver. The issue has been in headlines in recent months as a group of mostly penny stock companies has complained about activity and hired advisors to help get the attention of regulators. Says the issue is controversial, with some investors claiming that naked short selling does not really happen, but is used by executives to explain sharp moves in their stocks. So if we take a look at this high short interest stocks websites, we can see that Bed Bath & Beyond is number one, and we have 72.52% short interest. Float is 113.55 million and 116.84 million outstanding. So there is still a possibility that Bed Bath & Beyond will have a short squeeze. So we have over 61,000 members on Reddit. This person bought 85,000, and so far he's down 303,000. So with these meme stocks, they're very volatile. You just never know what's going to happen. But we want retail investors to stay BBBY like they did with GameStop and AMC. So hopefully this person can recover their money back. This is a lot of money. So always invest what you can afford to lose. And we have more people buying shares of BBBY, 8,500 common shares, and then this person made it to 50,000 shares. So it's fairly cheap. I mean, the stock was over $7. That was just 2 months ago. It's only 29 cents, and all it can go to is zero. I mean, for me, I feel like there's more upside to it than to the downside. But like I said, always remember, always do your due diligence and invest what you can afford to lose. I'm currently in this. I'm down quite a bit, actually, and it was actually my fault because I had bought some call options. They're already down almost 100%. So that was my mistake. Number one is buying call options on a meme stock, especially when the IV is extremely high. You can see if we go to May, we have 4,000 volume traded for the 0.5 strike. And then every single month, you can see that people are buying these calls, hoping for a short squeeze. And all we really need is a small rally. That's it. Really small rally. I mean, I'm hoping the stock can go to $30, but it's going to be a while. And it's I don't think it's possible if we do have a reverse stock split. Reverse stock splits are not great in my opinion, and most of the time the stocks never recover from that. So let me know your thoughts. Are you buying more BBBY?